Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow English Stories, the channel where we learn English through true, simple, and inspiring stories. Today's story is called Learning English Changed Her Future. It's about a young girl who discovers that learning English opens doors to opportunities she never imagined. So, sit comfortably, listen carefully, and enjoy this slow and powerful story. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Girl from the Small Town. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there lived a girl named Mira. Her family was poor but kind. Her father worked as a taxi driver, and her mother sold vegetables at the market. Mira was a smart and curious girl. She loved learning new things, but her school didn't have many resources. Every day after school, she helped her mother at the market. When she saw tourists come to buy fruits, she often heard them speaking in English. She didn't understand their words, but she loved the way they sounded. Smooth, beautiful, and confident. One day, she told herself, I want to speak like that. But when she told her friends about her dream, they laughed. You learn English? That's impossible. English is only for rich people, they said. Mira felt sad, but didn't give up. She whispered to herself, maybe I'm not rich, but I have a big dream, and that's enough for now. Chapter 2. The First Steps. Mira didn't have money for English classes, so she started learning by herself. Every evening, after finishing her chores, she borrowed an old English book from her school library. The book was torn and missing some pages, but she treated it like treasure. She read every word again and again, trying to understand. She also listened to English songs on the radio. At first, she didn't understand a single line, but slowly she began to catch small words like love, happy, and dream. Each time she recognized a word, she smiled proudly. She even started keeping a small notebook where she wrote down new English words every day. Her parents didn't understand English, but they saw her working hard. Her mother said, Mira, I don't know what these English words mean, but I can see your passion. Keep learning, my daughter. Those words gave Mira strength. Even when she was tired, she kept studying because she believed her future was waiting for her in English. Chapter 3. The New Door Opens. One day, a new teacher named Mr. David came to Mira's school. He was from another country and taught English. His accent was different, and his classes were full of energy. When Mira spoke in English for the first time, she was nervous and shy. Her voice was shaking. But Mr. David smiled and said, Good job, Mira. Your pronunciation is very clear. Those few words of praise changed everything. For the first time, someone believed in her. Mira began to speak more in class, ask questions, and practice every day. She made mistakes, but she didn't care. Mistakes are proof that I'm learning, she said with a smile. A few months later, Mr. David told her about an English speech contest in the city. He said, You should join, Mira. She was scared. Me? I can't. My English isn't good enough. But he replied, It's not about being perfect. It's about being brave. Those words stayed in her heart, so Mira decided to try. Chapter 4. The Big Contest. The day came Mira traveled to the city for the first time in her life. The stage was big and many students from rich schools were there. They spoke fast and confidently. Mira felt small and nervous. She closed her eyes and whispered, I can do this. I worked hard for this moment. When it was her turn, she walked to the stage and looked at the audience. Her hands were shaking, but she took a deep breath and started speaking. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mira. I come from a small town. I learned English by myself because I believe that language can change our future. Her voice grew stronger as she spoke. She shared her story, how she learned from songs, books, and the radio. The judges listened quietly. When she finished, the audience clapped loudly. Mira felt tears in her eyes. She didn't win first prize, but she received a special award for courage and determination. It was the happiest day of her life. Chapter 5. A Future Transformed. After the contest, a journalist wrote about Mira's story in the local newspaper. Soon, people all over the region knew about the girl who learned English by herself. One day, she received a letter from a language institute in the city. They offered her a free scholarship to continue learning English professionally. Mira couldn't believe it. Her dream was coming true. Years later, Mira became an English teacher. She returned to her town and opened a small English center for children who couldn't afford classes. Every time she stood in front of her students, she saw herself in their eyes, the same hope, the same dreams. She told them, "I was just like you. If I can do it, you can too." Mira's story inspired many. She proved that learning English is not only about speaking another language, it's about opening the door to a new world. A world full of chances, growth, and endless possibilities. Her dream didn't just change her life, it changed her entire community. Dear listeners, the story of Mira teaches us that learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about courage, patience, and believing in yourself. When you learn a new language, you also learn a new way to see the world. So, no matter where you are or how slow your progress feels, keep going. Every small effort counts. Remember, like Mira, your hard work today can change your future tomorrow. Thank you so much for listening to Slow English Stories. I hope you enjoyed today's story, Learning English Changed Her Future. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to help more people learn English with stories. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep believing in your dreams. See you again soon, and remember, your English journey can change your life too.